In our last video, we contextualized and fused streams of sensor readings from air quality sensors and CDC data. Now let's look at how users will interact with this data. Vantiq includes a facility in the platform called the Client Builder. Here you can build both web and mobile interfaces to allow users to interact and visualize these streams. For example, in this mobile application, we'll drag a map component onto the canvas. We'll configure a data stream that will return a list of all the sensors and tell the map to use that data stream. Or in this web application, we'll configure a conversation with search and generative AI by adding the conversation widget, selecting the data stream to send message user input to, and choosing the data stream to receive message responses from. With a little more work, you'll have a web and mobile interface that can receive real-time alerts, provide access to air quality reports and labs. We can display the current status of each reading as well as history to look at how it's changed over time. Here we've calculated a z-score for each reading to predict whether the air quality looks like it's improving or getting worse. For the CDC data, we can see what the rate of hospitalizations for COVID and influenza are for a given time. Or we can play back those hospitalizations over a period of time and run predictions to help determine staff augmentation and resource allocation. And by incorporating search and generative AI together, you can ask questions about the current data like, what are the most concerning health issues identified by labs and air quality reports? Here, the system searches a vector database for contextually relevant information and uses generative AI to provide accurate and tailored responses or content based on the retrieved data. With Vantiq and Deloitte, you sense, analyze for situations of interest, and orchestrate optimal outcomes.